Hakajing ki kablami ek school ba English and Foreign Languages University EFLU Regional Campus Shillong hadien gajing sha wengkam ki khan ringot ki Nongtrei pelaite kular lani kata kontrak perkati ke school ba nakaliang ki nong penya ki penpau begitu ki Nongtrei ki debi Nongtrei bat koi pat ka company hakani gajing ki kala dandu gajing keno baga director ke school ba ka Mosmi Banerjee haba penshaish ki babun balang dangshen halor baga school ba ka IT shaka Meghalaya Private Security Services ka agency shimet nakamenta penbiang ya bor brio shaka school ba katkum gajing don kam klami ke jikno pakani ka director kala penung kamru ka kentien kini ki Nongtrei ki dei ki nong buat halor kani ga jingmi kani ga jingno kani ga director kala penshai ko ni kilat patai ku bor baka khlem penung kam ya ki te ki kentien hendrei na ga jingyo pjang i ko ga video lala pat banyo sngo i ka kentien drunkards ka bakala ong balada dei ki Nongdih ka kloi ban thung kam mi ki na lor kata kala penshai ru pakum ga director kala le ikini ki kam ka dei na ga jingdon ga jingpentha na shalor lingba ka ktien na mar ka university kam dan pisa baka dei ban pej e ka bha ka miat chong ka school ba.
The fact that Mr. Thomas Pasa and Mr. Martin are extremely good human beings, they would try their heart and soul to reposition them. But from 1st May, that is from today, they are ceasing to be, working from here. And that is a strict directive. Unless, again, I am telling you, unless something positive is coming out from either today's meeting or any meeting happening in the future, anything that comes, we would be the happiest persons on the planet to, reposition them. Because we have nothing against any of these 16 employees. We still want them, I'm telling you. We still want them and we still need their services. Even if they are utter drunkards, mind you. Even if they are utter drunkards, we are still wanting to keep them. Right? Most of them are, I'm told. But still we are wanting to keep these drunkards. Because we are human employers, right? Now the thing is, that has to again come to us, because this has come to us. With effect from 1st May, this has come to us. That is, we have felt this compulsion to do this, right? Now this also has to come to us again. And then, as I told you, we'll be happy. In fact, no, that cannot be, because firstly, even if it comes, that cannot be shown. And number 2 is, you see, it has been instructed by the ministry and the UGC verbally to the headquarters. And the headquarters has acted on or have acted on verbal instructions from the highest authorities of the country. The university has, you see, take this in your brains, my dear friends. The university has no funds, has absolutely no funds. And I was told today morning, you as the director of the campus have to take care of the university's health. I was clearly told this. And I am quoting what I am told. Today morning I am telling you. If you cannot take care of the university's health, what are you doing there? And I completely agree with them. The university's health comes first to us. And the university has no funds to, go along with the services or continue the services of these many employees of these 3 campuses.
Pej bahagi Kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya Kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka Khot ka Kyiad ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka Shah plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya